What if you could see your renovation before spending a single dollar? Pick any space, a patio, a living room, even a restaurant. Snap a photo and upload it. That's all it takes. Browse hundreds of design styles, modern farmhouse, mid-century, coastal, whatever speaks to you. In seconds, your space gets a complete design concept. And just like that, your patio becomes something you never imagined. Want a different color? Just ask. Say, try Hale Navy, and watch it change. Every tweak saved, every version tracked. One tap to build your client deliverable. Tiered cost estimates, phase-by-phase breakdown, shoppable product links, financing options, ready to share. Track every deal from first contact to close, pipeline, forecasts, team performance, all in real time. Visualize your dream. Try it free at inspiredesign.ai.